Welcome to Transcend Money Community. My name is Tony. In today's video, we're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin, Solana. We're going to talk about what is coming and how is the order book with the upgrade Transcend Money Community website. And also, we're going to check the liquidation map and some other information. But for me today, the news are about Tron and TON, the blockchain of Telegram. But first, let's start with the price of Bitcoin. We're gonna analyze through the website transcend.money. You know that is in the description down below. Welcome everyone. Hello Henry. And there are 4 other people. I don't know who they are, but probably most of you are from the Spanish group, right? So let's see. What do we have here today? Because as I said, we have a new upgrade in the website. Quickly, I'm gonna do it, and then we'll proceed to analyze the price, right? So just we add this new table, and we'll explain, and we make some other changes. So now we have the last 100 trades, because this is gonna be useful for the trading bot and the new strategies for scalping. And also we add the top 100 trades since we opened the website, right? So now we can see the distribution of the 100 biggest trades in the recent time since we opened this website. Okay, so let's go. Let's go for the price of Bitcoin because this starts to be interesting now. Let's do a summary very fast, but before, let me check that everything is all right. We have the audio here. That's correct. Okay, seems everything is okay. If you can confirm in the chat, thank you very much. For all the new people that maybe is connected today, because I met you in Thailand, welcome to the English channel. As you know, we are starting in the English channel, but you can check also the Spanish one. Okay, so let's go for it. Do we do the price first, or we talk about the Tron and Ton? Let's do the price first of Bitcoin, and then we talk about what is coming with Telegram, because I think it's huge. So let's do a little bit of recap. Yesterday we were talking about the weekly, and that we have the cap and handle figure, you can see here. And yeah, so you know that I don't really believe a lot in the technical analysis. I mean, yes, for retail, but not like so much from the order book, right? But here we have the cap and handle, and basically the distance is breaking the 100K, right? And we are in weekly right now. So if this figure is correct this time, we pass through the because they have what the hell happened here. Okay, so we're going to 200. It depends how you put this. It's gonna be more or less. Well, we know that the craziness. I hope for the 100,000, and you know that I'm expecting to make a party for the 100K since last bull run. That's true, but I think this time is for sure. So apart of that, so basically we are testing the all-time high of Bitcoin. So for sure, as we were talking about, we're gonna have a strong resistance. But right now we have the important bounce in the support of this channel, or you can call it also, it depends how you want, rising flag or bullish flag. And we have a nice bounce, but now we are in the middle of the bullish flag, right? So the point is, for me, in my opinion, so I'm going to extend a little bit the resistance, but we have also this trending line that is coming from October 2023, and so I think we're going to bounce higher than the support. Okay, it's not 100% sure, but it's my the most probable scenario in my mind right now. But we want to check the order book, of course, but just because it's so especially brutal clear that is in the middle, this white line is the middle of the bullish flag, and we have a strong resistance here. The point is, can break it, because in fact the price is testing all the time to break it, and you know, as more times we try to break the resistance is getting stronger, so we can pull down very fast. But if we break up, I think we're gonna go 68.70K, and we're gonna check it now in the order book. Okay, let me check how is the chat, if everything is right. Yes, we have 6 people, little by little growing the channel. Okay, so next, let's see the order book. So we see the top 3 is 70, 7,600, and where we are right now, 67,500. There are not so big resistance, just the 70K is strong. The other ones are below 200 Bitcoins, around $9 million. So they are resistance, but not really strong. From other side, the traditional markets are not pumping, but trying to break also, Nasdaq and Standard & Poor's. So the point here is, if the price needs more liquidity to go higher or not. Because if we check the bottom of the order book, what we can see is that there are a lot of money, 774 Bitcoins, almost $50 million at 6% drop approximately, but also we have 65 and 63, also with more than 200 Bitcoins. So it's really a lot of money. So a lot of money is waiting for the price to going down to enter. In my mind, I think the most probable scenario, because with the current strategy, we have some profits. I don't know if I have activated I think so. Because I have Solana. So we have profits now. It's in 172%, $10,000 with $6,000. So the strategy is working well, but we don't know if it's gonna go up or down first. So this strategy is waiting for the pullback and enter, right? So after 1 million or limit orders, new limit orders, what we can see is that there are these 3 prices between, let's say, a 5% drop, more or less. So this, we have to find a way to improve it. And, by the way, another new thing is, like, if you are pro member, you can go to the profile, and in any of these tabs, you can see what is the link for the new Telegram group for pro members, right? So you can check it there. And every day I like more Telegram, and we're gonna talk about why. Because now they integrated a crypto wallet. More than integrated is they have a crypto wallet, and also the blockchain they have. That we're gonna check that later. So we wanna finish Bitcoin, and then we wanna talk about Telegram and the new, how we can call it, the new blockchain, not the new blockchains, one of the most used blockchain for fiat currency, and the other one is like the Telegram blockchain and what can happen with that. Okay, so let's go for it. So now the price of Bitcoin is having a lot of pressure, but there are a lot of buys. That's a good thing. The volume is very low, I think, right? No, it's not so low. $12 billion for Bitcoin, 2.7 million trades. Let me check just a second. Where is this one? How are doing the ETF? The ETF, they are buying, still buying. This is from just, no, what happened? Yeah, we don't have the information. Okay, so next, let's go to draw the supports and resistance, and then I'm gonna change my trades, I think. Update my trades. So we have 63. So this is a little bit lower than yesterday. Not lower than yesterday. The first one is lower, that's 63, right? And we're gonna go for 4 and pixels, and then we have the, oh, just, no, it's okay. 65, we have here, what is it, 65. This is more bullish, so maybe I'm adapting my strategy. No, I'm gonna, so we have the top 3 long, 10x, and today I think I'm gonna do inverse perpetual futures trade. Let's see. Just let me finish with this. 63 780, so it's more bullish than yesterday. The top 3 just rise like 1.5%. So it's getting more bullish, the price of Bitcoin. Obviously, it's because we have a pump. And this is another thing I want to talk about, the new information we want to display, because I think it's also very important to see how the volume of the trading is doing. The volume of trading means when 2 parts, they agree in price and quantity, right? So this is what we have here. We have the real time, and here we have the trades that recently were made bigger than 10,000. This will improve, and we will do all kind of filters, but this is the first iteration. This is experimental yet, but I think with the we need to integrate both the order book with the trades, the tape, time and trades, and price, especially for scalping, right? Because this, especially the trades, can give us signs of what's going on. Wow! Wow! Look what do we have right now in the order book. $120,000 on the top 10. $120, 120K in the top 10. Obviously, it's not going to happen today, but we didn't see this for a long time. So the market is getting hot, and the celebration of the 100K is getting closer. So anyway, let's go for the resistance 2. And yeah, you're right, we don't have the 73 that we had yesterday, but 70 in the top 1 and the top 2, the 2 prices with the bigger quantities since we opened the website, after 1.3 million limit orders, meaning traders placing orders in the order book of Binance futures. We have the top 2 in 70,000. We didn't have this for a long time too. It's true that the quantity is not very big, but this is bullish for me. This is bullish. And obviously the 73 is going to be the key, in my opinion. That price, if we break 73, we can start the bull run. But let me check the RSI, because the RSI for a long time I didn't check in daily and weekly. So daily is neutral and weekly is still too hot, too overbought. So maybe we should wait a little bit. So we can, ideally, we're going to take a little bit of time in this range to cool down the RSI in weekly, and then we try the 73. So probably it will be in June, will be the best, right? So now I think will be too extreme. So yeah, neutral and going up slowly, I think will be the best scenario for one, to pump the altcoins, that they are already quite pumped, but but Henry is saying 120K, whoa, yeah. So yeah, with 120K, I totally, the altcoins, there are a lot of that they already pump a lot, but if Bitcoin price is still around this region or close to 73, I think the altcoins have a high chance of start pumping. In fact, we have some pumps recovering, and I would like to check some of the altcoins if we have time in this video. I'm checking if there is the ones that I want to talk today, but I didn't see right now. Well, Solana, also we want to talk about Solana, did a nice pump. So let's go for the resistance, and then let's do the trade and Solana, and talk a little bit about Tron and Ton, the Chinese and the Russian blockchains. Okay, so we have 70K. 70K is around here. I have a little bit moved the lines, but it's okay, not a big problem. It's not 4, it's 300 Bitcoins. And then we have 70K with 70K6 point or 70.6. And this is very small. I'm gonna put 1 pixel. And then 68. So we have here, and look, the price is pushing. Let's check. This is start to be exciting. I hope they don't push too hard. Whoop, just the top 3 was changing. It's going higher, So now they are scared and say 67,500 is too low, right? You see, nice, 68. So 68 is gonna be around here. That is 1% up. So this is gonna be super easy. 140 Bitcoins, $10 million. And yeah, look what do we have here preparing. So the market is like, ooh, be careful, because there are small chance, but there is a chance that this is going like parabolic and we go into the 100K. Because look at this. Recently, in last week we had 50,000 in the top 10 in the order book of Binance futures. But now we have 100,000, 60,000, 70,000. So this is saying, in my opinion, how I read it, that is more bullish. It's not crazy yet, but it's like, okay, we put 70 and 60 highs because the price is like have high chances to go to 70K. But this is can go crazy if it's breaking 73 even for a second. So let me put some orders in 120K and 100,000 just in case this is going crazy. Because we know the most probable scenario is that it's not going to pump to 100. But if it's breaking 73, this can go insane. So this, I think this is the quantity is telling us the probabilities, right? So it's a small quantity of money, 7 millions below 100 Bitcoins, but it's in the top 10, you know. This also I want to. We're gonna make a lot of improvements in the website. Another one is that since when we have this information, because this is 1.6 million after 1.6 million updates, but we don't have the time, so I want to put something like this also. Okay. And okay, another interesting thing is the how hot or cold they are, right? Because this can be just one investor that put $7 million, right? Because it's 8 minutes ago, 16 minutes ago, so maybe it's like trying to cheat the market, right? We'll see if they are getting hot, because for me the important ones are the ones that are moving constantly, right? 1 minute or some seconds. But this is already 15 minutes, so probably they're gonna go out. It depends how fast is going the price of Bitcoin, right? If the price of Bitcoin is going fast, high, probably these quantities will start to increase. There are 50, you see? No, I'm wrong. So the 100K just went up. No. We have more 60 highs. Okay, so let's do this. And then what we can see is that the 100K is still in the top 20. So now is the top 12. This maybe we should put also like a line number, because we can sort by any kind of parameter, but just to have a reference, I think it's the top 12. Just because this new one close to the price is coming up to the top 10, right? So look how beautiful. Let's see if we can break the 67,700. Yeah, so you know, my trading right now is very simple. It's like basically go to the top 3 to enter in the market. And yeah, let me know also if it's working for you well, the website, the pro version, because now it's using a lot of resources from the server. So we need to check if can handle all the pro versions, okay? Because there are a lot of pro versions. And we're gonna prepare a premium version also, that's gonna be a little bit like kind of investor, a part of other privileges. And yeah, so but first let's try the pro version if we can handle more information and more users. Okay, nice. This looks bullish in my opinion. We can do a correction, 5, 6%, 7%, 63, 65. We can do that, but I think that will be even good, right? Okay, so once we say that, I'm gonna check the chat. Who do we have here? RBT is also here. Hello. So a lot of people from the Spanish channel. From Salta, Argentina, here with the translator. Thank you very much, Walter. A lot of people from the Spanish community. What I would like to know, if you can see it, if you can translate it. I don't think you can translate it in real time, right? But, well, anyway, you will tell me. Because before I think it was possible. No, in live is not possible. Okay, so let's keep going. So that's great. And then, wow, this looks great. But the RSI is a little bit hot, but okay. So another thing we can do to see the resistance close to the price. This is gonna be tricky because if I'm doing the top 100, it's moving too fast. But what another thing I would like to do is if we can take from the top 100 close to the price, if there are limit orders or prices with more than 200 Bitcoins. Because look, there is the 68288 that has 100 Bitcoins. But in general, seems like from this first 1%, I think there are not 200 Bitcoins in any. Yeah, of course there are not 200 Bitcoins because the top 10 has 100. So that means there is not so much resistance today. That's interesting. I smile because we know that crypto can go wild at any point, and now we are about to break the higher high. Whoa, let's see what's going on. We're getting closer. This is gonna be fascinating. So you see, now the biggest one is 68. 68 is the biggest one, and this was 67,700. So we have a chance. Whoa, we have the 120 still there, and it was updated. I think the quantity didn't change a lot, but it's updated. 100K, 69, 68. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. If we break the 68, no, in fact, now if we break 67,700. Approx, let's say 800, I think we can have a nice pump. Let's see what's going to happen. So let's check also the liquidation map. What do we have? Okay, so we have more money, I think, to liquidate shorts to the 6,800 something. I think can go. Interesting. Today can be interesting. If the traditional markets keep pumping, not pumping, but going up, that can push. Okay, So let's go. Then here is my challenge right now, because I'm in a position that as a lot of you, I think RBT you enter in the in this this crazy number 56,789, 56,000, right? So I get this price and I enter a little bit more, so 57 something. I'm in this position right now, and so if I enter in the market, I'm gonna break a little bit my price. So I think I enter 56,789, but then I enter a small position, like I would do now if I place an order in the 63 or 60. 63 will be my first approach, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do 63. Okay, let's do 163. But to don't mix with this position, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the 63 but in inverse. I'm gonna do Bitcoin USD perpetual, that this one is basically, instead of investing in USDT and receiving USDT, you invest Bitcoins and you receive Bitcoins, right? So I'm gonna hide this one and I'm gonna go 63, and let's see, 63.10, and then the point here is the quantity. Let's see if I can do well the quantity. So I'm gonna go 10x, and this is I don't know how to do it here more simple, but if I'm doing 10x, target price, liquidation, max entry, no, I don't know how to do it. Okay, let's do manual, because here is the quantity that I'm going to enter with Bitcoin. So if I'm going 10x, 10x, and here is one count and 0.001. So it's a little bit complicated. I don't know why they do so complicated, but anyway. So 0.1 is about 6.7, about $7,000. So 0.001 is $700, let's say. So if I do 0.1 Bitcoins, I'm going to the market with I don't know if this is in counts. Enter the futures quantity in Bitcoin. The global unit will switch to BTC. I don't know if this is in the market or, yeah, this is in the market, yes, because here is saying 0.01. So this is in the market $6,700, but in my position will be 0.01 Bitcoins, that is $700, right? So if I want to do $1,500 about, I will do 0.2, and this will be $1,500 in Bitcoin, right? And I'm gonna open along here in case we do a correction of 7%. And here is the position. So 0.2 Bitcoins in the futures market, and my margin is 0.02, that is around $1,300, okay? Great, so this is gonna be my position. And we have another person coming here. Thank you very much for giving to the English channel a like and a subscription and notify the bell. And let's see, because we're waiting for the resistance. This will be unbelievable if we do this. Which one was? Well, now it changed, right? We had 67,800, no, 68, yeah. Seems we had 68, right? Okay, so let's see. Let's go for it. So now we break the last all-time high. No all-time high, but the recent higher. We make a higher high. So let's go and see what happened in the 68 that is going to match in this hour candles with overbought, 70 overbought in the RSI. And let's see if we want to have a correction or not. Okay, so how do you think? Hello, Miguel, also. everyone is from the Spanish channel. That's funny. But there are some people from the news from the English, but most of you, they are from the Spanish channel. I'm feeling like in home now. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be interesting, the 68. And then we're going to go for Solana. But also I would like to talk about what is happening here in Asia. And I'm going to try to be soft because I don't want to ban the channel, right? But I would like to talk about two blockchains. One is TRX, and then we'll do the Solana, okay? So the other one, I don't know if I put on, it's gonna give me the website directly. Blockchain, because yeah, I want to talk about this. Just a second, and then Ton Telegram, open network for everyone. Okay, so and in fact, you talk in the Spanish channel. You talk. Somebody asked me about Ton, right? I was thinking it's a token, but it's not a token. It's a blockchain, and I'm crazy now with this because. All right, let me see how I explain this. Let's do soft, simple, and not very direct. So the thing is, like, in Asia, Ton and Tron, they are used a lot. And we know that the new technologies, like the telephone, cell phone, cars, airplanes, whatever is the new technology we have, always the early adopters or users, the early adopters and the people that really use daily is kind of people that, how we can say this, that don't follow exactly the rules. And in Asia that happen a lot, and you know, Russia has some limitations with the banking, and China too. So for that reason, this blockchain from China and this blockchain from Russia, I think they're gonna blow up, or they are blowing up. And the most crazy, interesting part is in USDT. The USDT, the stablecoin blockchain most used in the world, Tether, is on Tron. And let's see this one. And let's see what happened with Ton, that is the Telegram blockchain. For the, I don't know where we can check that, but it's quite impressive, right? Ton, I don't think it's so cheap. Sorry. It's not so cheap like Solana. It's like 10 cents per transaction with USDT, but I think it's gonna use a lot, because there are Russians that use Telegram, so it's a big user. How to say? A lot of people is using this app, especially close to Asia, and they make a wallet that is super easy to use. I just opened one today, and you see, here is explaining how to do it. Security, that's another thing, because I think they store the key. But if it's not for bigger quantities, I think a lot of people is going to use it, because in Russia they use more they use a lot of crypto instead of banks. I don't know in South America. I guess in South America there are a lot of countries that they use also a lot crypto, but I'm really aware that Chinese and Russians, they are the biggest users right now. So I want to keep an eye on these two blockchains, because even they are not the best, I'm wondering for investing perspective, maybe they are interesting. I'm not sure about that. we had a pump here in Toncoin. That this one is from the Telegram. Just keep an eye. Just keep an eye. Okay. Yeah. So I don't know Tether, but in some place we should check, because the volume in USDT is quite spectacular. Okay, so let's go for the next one. Let's go for Solana, and we go for the 68, and I want to keep an eye to see. Just the website desktop, because I use another window, right? I don't know if I can restart or something without restarting the website. Seems not. Reload. Let's do reload. And if you now you know, for the new ones, we have the Telegram group for pro members, right? So if you go into the website to any of these tabs, you should be able to see the link. You click here and you can go to the Telegram group that is the pro, right? Pro group. Okay, so I reload, but just I change everything because I show you that. Okay, so let's see what happened with the 68. We are super close now. And how react. In fact, I see. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so let's go for Solana. If you like it. And what do we have Solana? Solana is not powerful now. Well, in fact, Solana already make a big pump, right? Pump and correction. But even didn't reach our targets, no? Ah, no, because we are 1 minute, sorry. No, we were far away. Yeah, how interesting is this? Yesterday, in the Spanish channel, we were here, right? In this point. And we have this resistance in yesterday's video. And but we were saying that let me see. This was yesterday here, and before yesterday was Sunday, obviously. So sorry, Saturday. But what we were saying is like the volatility was low. But yesterday the volatility increased a lot. Look this, from 5.4 to 12%. So in some way, how beautiful is it, the order book, that from yesterday, from let's see what's going on. We had like 1 day, 24 hours, no, even more, 28 hours, that the order book was saying, hey, be careful that tomorrow we have high volatility. We didn't reach the support and resistance, but went down not so bad. How much? 2.8%, and then up almost 6%. Oh, we reached 180 already. Nice, beautiful. And congratulations, because I know a lot of you catch more Solanas in this dip. Okay, yeah, because I'm doing the top 3, but if you do the top 5 or 10, you catch this drop, right? Okay, so look, we have low volume because it's less than 20,000 Solanas, but we have 772. That is super high compared with yesterday, after 2 million updates. And then we have resistance now. We have resistance now, and the price is already correcting. But the interesting part is gonna be if, yeah, because Bitcoin is gonna correct also, right? Yeah, we have the correction already. But I think we didn't reach the 68, right? 67,950. How beautiful is the order book? How beautiful is the order book? And another thing that I would like to implement in the website is the interaction between these two, between the order book and the trades. And we can have the chart. That's going to be very complex because it's a lot of information, but I change again. yeah, I think it's quite important, because then we can study patterns and we can really make money, I think, if we can understand the habits of the big investors. Okay, so let's go for Solana. How beautiful is this, eh? $50 from 68. 67,950. Unbelievable, unbelievable. That doesn't mean that it's not gonna try again, because I think it's gonna try again. But the first absorption of the order book was predicted, right? Okay, so the interesting part will be to see now how the order book react. Let's wait a little bit to see, because now the price is going down, so the market have to adjust the new predictions if we're going for the 70 or not, right? So let's let the order book to load a little bit, and then we'll check again the prices. But the thing is, yeah, also I would like to load all the information from the server, but the thing is, like, it's 1-2 gigabytes per 24 hours, so it's a lot of information. I think that will be the premium version, because you need a high-speed connection, and also we need a bigger server to share all the data. So I think it's gonna be like, we will keep the pro version, we do the premium version for experimental purposes, and start with the robot trading and all this. And yeah, and with this data, we'll try to train the AI. Let's see if we have time for this cycle, for this bull run. I hope so. So for Solana, we have the 180 already, 184, 182, 181. So we see here is a resistance, and now there is a big amount. So 184 is gonna be the resistance, right? 184 if we don't have a pump, obviously, in Bitcoin or the traditional markets, right? So we're gonna come back to 1 hour. Here we go, and this one is super big, with $8 million. $8 million is a lot for Solana. Okay, then 182, so here we have the resistance. So the point here is like, partial benefits. Yeah, it's so difficult for me to sell a little bit of crypto, but maybe the 184 in Solana is a good point to to take a little bit of profits, right? Especially if you have a big profit. Big profit in amount, and also in, wow, 181 is very close to the price. Maybe it's the last peak, right? And how beautiful is the order book that is telling us with so much detail. Yeah, the all-time high, no, the all-time high. The last high was 180.80. $180.80. Incredible how they play. Okay, so that's gonna be like 2%. So basically it's saying that Solana is gonna stop here. And how is the RSI in Solana doesn't matter, because Solana doesn't care about the RSI, and the first two resistances almost neither. So 184 I think is gonna be the interesting. And for the opportunities to buy Solana, we have 172. 172 is around here. Yes, and we're gonna do green. And how much is this? 11,000 Solanas, 1.9 million. So it's very small amount. I'm gonna put 1. So yeah, careful with that, because there are not big supports. So basically what is going on is that they want to stop the price of Solana max 184. That's what they want, to stop Solana now with money. We're talking about stop Solana with money, because it's in the order book. It's a signal for everyone, like, hey, I'm gonna sell a lot of Solanas here, so be ready, because it's not gonna go up, probably it's gonna go down, right? This $8.6 million at 184. And then we have 145. Look, we don't. This is gonna be interesting. Let's talk about this. Yesterday we had the 110 in Solana, and today in the top three. In the top three we had $110. That was 30% drop or something like this. And today we don't have volume. That means they don't expect the price going down. And the 110 is not even in the top 10. So now this seems to me more normal. So the maximum drop like 12-20% in Solana. And 110 is not even in the top 20. So we're gonna do, I think we're gonna make improve this table, and we're gonna have a lot of tools to analyze this, no? Because I would like to know where is the $110. So I would like to be able to do searches also. Okay, but right now we are good. So for Solana, I'm gonna go for the 145. I'm gonna go for normal futures, Solana, and then I had the 110. That this one I can take out. The 100. Look, I'm gonna put the 158. 158.3. And then I'm gonna place a new order, 145.4 to how much I put here. This is at 20% drop. It's not bad. So I'm gonna put $10,000 that are 10,000. Sorry, $10,000 that are 100. $10,000 that there are $1,000 of margin. Okay, so good. This is gonna be interesting also. Yeah, and wow, and this was live. What a pullback, almost touching the resistance. That in fact, I think the resistance is not in the right price. I think it's closer, let's say, because of course I don't draw with a lot of precision, but in the coordinates, yeah. So I had $68,011.82. So in fact, the resistance was 68,000 and 68,000. So this was the real one that the order book gave us, and look how close is it. Yeah, what I say, 67,950 against 68K. So super close. Okay, great, fantastic. And so what happened? Why I have these lines? Because I didn't. This line should be here, and this one also here, because this is from yesterday. Okay. Yeah, because like this, tomorrow we can see in the Spanish video where the predictions, right? Okay, fantastic, great. And then here we go. And here the point is, like, if we want to do a lot of multimillionaires in the transient money community, we need to rotate the money faster. I'm rotating the money very slow, like every month. It's true that we do 100, 200, 300%, but it's too slow. We need some strategy that is faster. So how many of you do scalping or would like to do scalping, meaning trading more than one per day or per week? Because I'm considering that if we should this is one of the things I create the pro group now to discuss this kind of things, which priorities we give to the website. So go please to the link. I think most of you there are pro, and you can join the Telegram group, and maybe we can do video calls or just chatting there about different options. And this one is the Spanish one. Right, we don't have the English version yet until we make the channel bigger, right? Okay, so great. And I would like to check very fast this project, and then if you don't have any questions, and then if you don't have any question, let's check a little bit this blockchain, because now I'm very curious about this. So first of all, mini apps. Let me see how this is working. So JavaScript, this is for the wallet. Wow, imagine a wallet in the because I think in this wallet is like Toncoin, or the blockchain of Telegram, Bitcoin, and Tron. I think these are the main blockchains. Let's see. We don't have any comment yet. Explore wallets. A ver, which kind of wallets? Yeah, they are all custom wallet. No, Trust Wallet, Ledger, okay. BitGet, Gemtangen. So basically they are all custom. So this is the beginning of this one is the one from Telegram, yes. So it's the very beginning of this blockchain then. And get a wallet, get a coin, stake. How much is the staking? It's a proof of a stake network, but a ver, let's do the Explorer. Ton block Explorer, and then I want to see also if it's public. Ton GitHub. Open networks. So yes, it's open source. Tron scan. What the hell is this? Toncoin block explorer. Don't tell me that this is a fork of Tron. Toncoin explorer. Okay, let's see. And then is in C++. Okay, that's. I mean, Russians are very good with coding. So it's in C++. It's like in Bitcoin. Okay. Unbelievable. And then we have how many followers? 6,700 forks and 2,400. And it's in English everything. Yeah, I'm gonna check a little bit this, because I think it's interesting. The block explorer is a little bit horrible. What the hell is this? This is working? What the hell is this? This is not working well. So this block explorer is shit. Ton CX. Let's see this one. How many of you have Ton? Okay, this is better, but it's very basic yet. Let's see here. Yeah, but this seems better. And this one is. What the hell is this? It's so horrible. And then we have the other one. This is okay, kind of. Compared with Solana, the design is a little bit worse, or much worse. But Toncoin Explorer. And I would like to know the speed and the Toncoin Block Explorer. Toncoin Tonscan IO. I mean, Russians are not very good in design. They are very good in technology, but in design, why is so slow this one? So this is not working. TikTok. I mean, the block explorers are not so good, eh? Ton Explorer, Ton Whales. At least this, yeah, the explorers are not so good, eh? In my opinion. Or I don't understand the design. Explorer and discover Ton chain. There is someone here who using Ton? No. Okay. So I don't like a lot the blocks explorers. What is this? This is NFTs? I don't know if it's my network, but yeah, they have NFTs also in Ton. Transactions. Let's see transactions. Okay, now we have something. Okay, a little bit better. This I like more. Validations, nominator blocks. Let's see. I don't know the speed, so I'm gonna investigate a little bit because seems could be interesting, this Telegram new blockchain, but I don't know the technical details. I don't know if they are explained here in the GitHub. Maintain monorepo include the code or node validator, client, compiler, Scala blockchain, focus in 100. Probably is something like second layer of Ethereum. Somebody knows? Underlying ecosystem documentation, run a node, develop decentralized apps, work on Ton. Yeah, it's quite new. Look, English Chinese. So I think they're doing a collaboration between Tron and Ton, the blockchain of Telegram. Open source, decentralized, Ton blockchain is focused on achieving widespread cross-chain interoperability. OE. So this is the new kind of blockchains that probably is using Ethereum while operating in a high-scale secure framework. Ton is designed to process millions of transactions per second, with the goal of eventually reaching hundreds of millions. Well, this always they claim these kind of things. I'm not sure about this, but it's fast. This we did today a transaction and it's very fast, but I don't know about the millions. And it's 10 cents. We did that. So they sent me USDT. No, they sent me Ton. They sent me Ton, and it was like kind of 1 second and 10 cents, more or less. Yeah, so I'm not so interested because the technology, I don't know about the technology, but I'm interested because Russians, they are using this, and I have the kind of feeling that China is also helping this project.
First, computers operated separately. Then some engineers connected two computers. Then there were 3, 4. So the internet was born. The internet has revolutionized our lives. A decade ago, decentralized blockchain technology emerged. By now, there are many different blockchains, but they are all loosely connected with each other and the rest of the world. There are
A ver, vamos a ver un momento. Sorry, let's see 1 second.
cons and pros to both. The internet is fast and user-friendly. It has become a staple in our day-to-day life. Corporations collect user personal data, but we are almost okay with it.
Por aquí lo podéis poner en español si queréis.
Blockchains restore the lost freedom and security, yet they are a little bit lazy at times. Ton, the open network. Revolutionary technology introduced by the Telegram team and continued by the open source community. Ton can pull together scattered blockchains and the internet to build the next generation global network. Ton is designed as a blockchain of blockchains. It means it can be scaled up to admit more transactions and users, as well as to unite different blockchains. Ton components will help connect decentralized networks and the internet. In tech terms, a smart contract from one blockchain will be able to exchange data with smart contracts contracts from the other blockchains, as well as to access files and websites. The world was not the same after two computers got connected to give the start to the internet. Today, TON is to bring in similar changes by uniting the internet and blockchains. New protocol, new opportunities, new freedom.
Hombre, me han vendido bastante bien, el cacharro este. Lo que pasa es que habrá que ver. Me ha gustado bastante el vídeo, pues mira, parece que vamos a... Ah, sorry. Seems that we're gonna break the resistance. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna dedicate some time to TON because it's kind of scary, but wow, we have Ray 12% up. Unbelievable! So let's see TON. How is the price? TON USDT, TON coin, Tether, OKX, Binance. And also I would like, this is for futures, Mexc. I would like Binance. So let's check first which is the biggest exchange for TON. Which is the biggest exchange for TON? OKX. How is possible that Binance is not here? Yeah, because you see, the waters start to split between west and east. Mexc is here, but yeah, seems it's OKX, Binance, Mexc 11, 2 million. Okay, so it's quite early. It's quite early. So which one is the one that... Whoa, we just break 68. This is gonna be... Let's see. Oh man, look the number we have. 68888. And this is Chinese. They love the number 8. Means rich or something like this, or lucky. 6888. This is gonna be, well, what we have yesterday. Nice. Man, we have to think about the celebration of the 100K. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, about TON. Yeah, we were checking the, in which change to check TON. And in fact, I'm gonna check it also from here in Binance, and let's see what we have. $80 million, 383 $1,000. What I was thinking is, yeah, that they cannot ban this blockchain. Probably this is a war now, I think. OKX. Okay, so let's go for OKX because seems is the one has more volume right now. And let's see the chart. Bull flagged also. It's very new, from May last year, no? Ah, no, 22. Was flat, and now we have the pump. So maybe this thing is ready. Wow, it's super overbought. But maybe this thing is gonna be ready, eh? Look how fun is this. We have the new table that is more than $10,000, and there are not trades of $10,000 yet. You see, the biggest one was $4,000. Now we have the first higher than $10,000 at 6.54. This is TON, by the way. Let's see after these updates, what do we have for support and resistance? Pretty close to the price. I think I would like to have some tone. I'm gonna yeah, check this. So between Tron and Ton, let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, I think I did too long the video, but some people are still alive here, seems. Welcome everyone. So why I'm thinking that Ton could be interesting, because because it has a use case, right? So all the sanctions that Russia have and all the limitations that they have in China. Also, I would like to know if some of you are living in America, not South America, which are the blockchains that you use more. I guess you use also a lot of USDT, right? But in which blockchain? That will be nice to see. If we go into USDT, which is the blockchain that is moving more Tether? Why is it changing me the dark mode? I think how we can check that? Yeah, I think we cannot. But I would like to know which are the most used for Tether. Tether higher volume blockchain. Because as far as I know, per day, no, but I would like monthly trading volume. I think the revolution just started. I would like to see if it's Tron, the biggest. We can check that. Well, anyway, we will check another day because I'm doing very long this video. But yeah, I wish you very luck with your positions, because this seems that soon we're gonna have an exciting market. Let's see if can break the resistance. And right now we have. Yeah, we still have the 70. Wait. Now it's more than 70. Tomorrow morning for me is going to be interesting, because it seems we're going to attack. And if the volume is low, whoa. Let's see. At least I put the orders to buy here, so I think we are good. Thank you very much for all the Spanish people here supporting the English channel. I wish you very good luck with your trades, health, wealth, and love, and see you the next video.